So today we're starting from Boyd-Wesley Park in Towanda, Illinois. It's on Route 66. This is, yesterday we did a Route 66 route, the longer one. Today it's 3 smaller separate strips of Route 66 that we're going to do here. The first one here we're doing today is in Towanda. So with us starting here at this park, we're sort of in the middle of the ride, so we're going to end up heading down this way first. That's back towards the Bloomington Normal area. We're going to do that, and then we're going to come right past where we are and then continue down that way to where it ends. So that's the plan for this one. Just the little bit we drove by getting here, there's a ton of signage. So we're going to check out what some of that Route 66 signage looks like. This section here is very reminiscent of what we rode on yesterday, because we're headed towards Bloomington Normal, so we're leaving the Towanda area. So just sort of looks like this, right next to Route 66, and right next to that is I-55. All right, well, we were heading south towards Bloomington Normal. We went 3.9 miles and reached the end of the trail here. That's at the intersection of Towanda Avenue and Shelbourne Drive. So we're gonna make our way, we're gonna head past the park and check out this trail on the other side of the park. Route 66 trail bike route. All right, we're back at Boyd-Wesley Park temporarily. While I'm here, I just wanted to point out that this park has pretty much everything you would need and makes for a good starting point for a trail. Not that this trail is very long, but you have picnic tables that are shaded, you have a porta potty, you have a view. So from that same park, we're on our way north now. We're going to be checking out, you can probably see that Route 66 sign behind me. They're all facing the opposite way, so we'll check them out on the way back. So we'll just ride down to the end, see what that looks like. No bathroom here, but we have a shaded place to take a break. All right, we're back in Towanda now. We're gonna check out this area a little more thoroughly because there's a ton of signage that's related to Route 66 that we're gonna check out. So here we go. There's this little section here with original Route 66, so I figured let's check it out. All right, that was pretty cool. We're gonna head back onto the trail now. Not sure what the intersection here is, but it cuts right through Towanda at Route 66 and whatever road this is here. But they got this really nice sign here. And let's take a moment to recognize Old Glory, waving in the breeze, as she should. Looks like the state of Illinois flag, a little in tatters, and then a Route 66 flag also. It's one of those Route 66 roadside attraction signs. And they have a painting here of the United States, and you can see Route 66 starting in Chicago and making its way all the way to the Pacific Ocean. So it looks like they have a sign for every state that it cuts through, starting in Illinois, showing us where we are on that map, so that's pretty neat. Greetings from Missouri. Right there in St. Louis, Merrimack Caverns. It's pretty cool. Hello from Kansas. Very nice. Dead Man's Curve. All right, these signs have started up again. This one's Oklahoma. Howdy from Texas. Here we are on New Mexico. Greetings from Arizona. And then there's the last one here, California. End of the journey. Very cool. All right, so we're back at Boyd-Wesley Park in Towanda. We've done this entire section back and forth. So while only 15 miles, it looks like it was definitely worth the ride though. It's worth coming out. If you're on Route 66 and you have bikes with you, definitely check out this bike trail.